Hello, this is Steve Milton, and this is my Enhancement 9 demonstration. The first thing we're supposed to do is go into one of our products that has multiple images on it. So I went ahead and did that on my Canon products. So both of these have multiple images. So if I go to my catapult, you'll see that I have 3 images there. Obviously these have nothing to do with catapult, but that doesn't matter. If I go and look at my sizes of each of these, so that image is 200 by 200, this image is 200 by 200, this image is 200 by 200, and then the big image is, let's get to that, that is part of main div. So in this case it's 500 by 500. If I size it down, you'll notice those shrink down. These things still stay the same. They're still 200 by 200, but this one has shrunk down to 269. And then if I get into the other view, then it just all drops down to the normal size. But they still say it's 200 by 200, and this one is no bigger than 200 as well. So it's 200 by 137.9. So all that works good. If we want to look at the validation, the CSS on it is valid, and let's go and look at the HTML. The HTML is also valid. Let me see, we've looked at all the sizes. If we go and look at the images, you'll notice that every one of them has a TN associated with it, all the way down, including the new ones that were added for those new images. You'll see the Notting Hill has a TN, the Eddings books all have TNs on them as well. So all those worked fine, and all that has everything that has been requested. I think that is everything that I need to show on this. Yep, that's it. Thank you very much.